yeah, it's almost time to go to bed, so that's why. Oops, sorry. But, so, yeah, it's my first video, and I decided that I would show my makeup collection, so I'll show you, like, where I store everything. This is my little makeup mirror. I also have a vanity chair, but it's not in here right now, so I can move around easier. Sorry. Here's all my perfume stuff. It's not really makeup. And I store, here's my palettes and stuff, and I store all my other stuff down here. And then I don't have enough room up there, so I store the rest down here. So I'm going to go through it pretty fast, but I'll try to be in detail. Okay. So here's my MAC palette. I have 13 shadows, and I needed to pot this shadow that I got in the Bahamas. So I went on a cruise, and I got this shadow in the Bahamas. It's Mythology. And I usually pot that, so I'll show you guys a depotting video later. But, so yeah, here's all my shadows. I also have the Coastal Scents 10 Blush Palette. This is the Coastal Scents Matte Palette. And I also have the Shimmer Palette right there. So, sorry this is going to be a little shaky because I'm using my little flip thing, so it's hard to do. Okay, so my first drawer, oops, that does not go there. Hold on. Okay, so my first drawer has mostly all my brushes and like a few like eye curlers and tweezers and stuff like that. So I have 2 MAC brushes, that's it, because they're kind of expensive and I just like these brushes a lot. I have a lot of Eco tools. I have all the Eco tool brushes except for like this small blush and powder brush. I have Coastal Scent brushes. I have a whole pack of those Coastal Scent ones. I have some drugstore ones, Elf, Estee Lauder. I don't know, I have a bunch of them. You can see them all. So, and in here is my face stuff: foundation, primers, powder, concealer. So I'll go through it really fast. I have an Elf. This is my powder from Clinique that I use. Oh, this is one of my blushes. It doesn't really belong in here. Like, these 2 blushes don't really belong in here, but they're so big, I just put them in there. I have Urban Decay Potion Primer. This is the concealer I use, and this is a backup of it in this little box. I have some drugstore concealers that I don't really use. I mostly just use Clinique. I don't use foundation anymore. I just use concealer and powder. Because I have oily skin, it just really gets cakey. And I have the Coastal Scents Camo Quad NYC Highlighting Wheel. I depotted like the last bit of my Urban Decay Potion Primer from my last bottle. This is a new bottle in here, but it dried up. So, I don't know. I have some MAC blot powder, some foundation, MAC foundation, and there used to be a MAC concealer in here, but I used it all. So, I have this Sephora concealer, so yeah. And down here are most of my eyeshadow palettes. It's kind of a mess because I have so many. Whoopsie. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but I don't have as much as like the gurus, like the big gurus and stuff. But I do have quite a bit. So these are pretty much all Clinique. I should organize this better, but it just kind of falls apart. Here's like all my Maybelline ones. I mean CoverGirl and Maybelline. I have 2 Clinique quads. I have the Hello Kitty quads. Some cream shadows, a bronzer, some mineralized shadows from Elf, some little trios. This is a quad, a bunch of ones down there. So if you guys like want a description of everything in one of the drawers, just let me know. And then down here, sorry my mirror is on, but down here are all my empty powders from Clinique. And I'm not sure if they have like a pan thing, so I'm just keeping them. So like if you hit pan, you get something free. But yeah, here's all my mascaras. I have Elf, MAC, Dazzle Lash, Clinique. One's waterproof and one's not. I don't like this mascara, the green one, because the wand's really bendy. This is some volumizing mascara, and I also have the vibrating one. But I don't, oh here it is, the vibrating mascara from Maybelline. Sorry, I dropped this one. So that's what's in that drawer. And here are all my like chapsticks, lip glosses, Clinique, Oh Bigelow. I have 2 of these, one lip gloss, one chapstick. I just have This is a lip stain actually from CoverGirl. And in here are all my lipsticks. My favorite is actually a lip tint, but it's in the form of a lipstick. Drugstore. These are all the green ones are Clinique, if you can see them in there. But, yeah, this is like a little lip gloss holder, I guess. I don't know. I just got it for Christmas in my stocking. But that goes in here. This is actually a cream shadow base, but I don't really use it anymore. But I still have it just in case I want to use it. It's from Clinique. These are all my lip liners. They're all different brands. Some are MAC. Only one is actually. But yeah, these are some samples I got from Coastal Scents. I put them in depotted MAC shadow cases because they were so like hard to get out in their other case. But there's not very much, but you can see there's some in there. These are all my liners. See, I have some MAC. I have Beauty Rush, Drugstore. I have I have 5 NYX Jumbo pencils. Let's see what else. 4. Where's the other one? I have 5 of them. I have this big jumbo liner. I have a bunch of different liners. So I have 1 liquid liner right here. Actually I have 2 liquid liners. I have 1 glitter and 1 black. So yeah, that is my entire makeup collection, gone through really fast. So one last overview. All my brushes, face, and some blushes are in here too, but mostly I just use the one in the tin palette thing. Eyeshadows, quads of any sort, liners, depotted stuff, lipstick, lip glosses, mascaras, empty powders, and eyeliners. So yeah, and also this is my vanity area, or my bathroom area, and that's like where I put my jewelry and stuff. Yeah, I'm just going to show you an overview of it. But yeah, and I also have a vanity chair that I put over here. But also, this is what I store stuff in, my makeup to go to school. I put it in this. And then when I go places, I got this from Target. I just went to my friend's house and I stored my face wash, toothpaste, and all my makeup in here. So this is what I use when traveling. And that's what I use to go to school. So, yeah. Okay.